Hey everyone, my name is Sanjay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a consultant working in the field of finance in New York. I have seen many finance students struggle and waste hours jumping between Google, different random news articles, earning reports, Yahoo Finance, and even after doing all of this, they don't know what actually matters. But what if I tell you there's a free AI tool that you can leverage that will help you research companies faster, understands company in a better way, and most importantly, it will improve your finance knowledge every single day. And that tool is Perplexity Finance. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can leverage it. If you are a finance student or working in the field of finance, or just someone who is just trying to break into the field of finance, or you are just someone who wants to become smarter about capital markets. And don't worry, I'm not just going to talk about it. I will share my screen and show you guys how you can use it in real life. Before I share my screen, I want to talk about why these AI tools are very important for all the students out there. And if you're a finance student, you know that the problem is not lack of information. The problem is opposite. You have abundance of information available. Annual reports of 300, 400 pages, earning transcripts, then you have to read news every day. What news is genuinely important, what is just not that important, and you waste 30 to 35 minutes in just figuring out what exactly you should read and what you should not read. You cannot go and sit for hours and hours by just reading each and every line of newspaper. You don't have that much time. You have to go to work as well, or you have to study for finance or your examinations. So this kind of tools like Perplexity Finance are very important for you. That will save ton of time for you, and it will give you the right and information in such a structured way that will make you better and smarter than rest of the other people. And this is not a paid collaboration. I just want to share this Perplexity Finance tool and all the things with you because I use this personally every single day, and it has helped me so much that I cannot even tell you guys. Like, I work at Wall Street, and every single day there are people surrounded by me who are just talking about finance and all the news and all the things that are going on in the market. And this tool really helps me in making sure that I am up to date, and in some cases even better than other people. Now let me share my screen and show you guys how exactly you can use Perplexity Finance. So here we are on the homepage of Perplexity Finance, and you can see we have two great options for US markets and one for Indian markets. On the side, you will be able to see finance. If you're not able to figure out from where you have to open this one, just click on finance and this page will be open. And you'll see here we have two great options for US markets as well as Indian markets, and we'll shift it to Indian markets. Now let me tell you about what all the things they have specifically on the home page. You can see they have the price alert option. If you like a particular stock, you can choose it from here and just set a limit price and or maybe a target price that you're looking for. Then you can connect your maybe Zerodha account to this one, and then it will analyze everything for you. The great thing is, like, you can create your watch list. Maybe, for example, I'll add let's add Infosys, and we'll be done. Like, you can see the watch list as well in the side. Then you have Nifty, S&P, Nifty Bank, Bitcoin, all the things. From side, you can click on crypto. You'll be able to see the crypto market. Then we have the earning option where you'll be able to see, like, if there's any earning coming for any particular stock. Then we have the prediction options, which is like a poly market that you can see like what predictions are going on, what kind of percentages are there for those particular predictions. Then we have a screener where you just need to type maybe PE 20, and let's see what it gives us, and then it will research some stocks and you'll be able to, just in a second. Now you have the list of all the stock which has P less than 20, and you can see like minus 2.6k, all of this, and it will range, and slowly you'll start seeing positive numbers as well. But here's the whole list. You can add as many queries you want to add over here. Then you have the watch list option and the whole portfolio that you can create over here. Now let's come back to the homepage again. And this, you can see they have the market summary. This is like all the news that are coming in the market. This is Sensex and Nifty news that we can see for today, that is 13th of March. Then you can see a good heat map for all the, I think this is what, there should be 400, 500 stocks. This is more than Nifty 50, all the stocks. But you have energy, communication, you get all the heat map. So it is very good. Every morning you should definitely check it out, what's going on in the market. Then we have the recent developments, like it is just more like a news section, and then you have some popular searches. Now let's jump on to the use cases, how you are going to leverage this to make yourself better. Now you can see I've typed a prompt over here, and you will be able to find all of these prompts in the description. Don't worry about it. So it is something that you can leverage every morning. You can go in the search section and just search for this, like if you are a finance student, how you're going to prepare yourself for every day rather than just going and reading 10 different articles. It's better that you go and just tell Perplexity, like give me a good concise summary of all the equities, gold, and everything that is going in the market. It will do its research, and then you will be able to see that it has come up with a great summary in your asset looks set for a weak volatile section. Then you have for Indian equities, then you have the rates that is going on in India, then the gold, we know like Brent crude just reached 100, then you have gold, Bitcoin, everything that you need to know. Then 5 stocks to track as a finance student again. And you can even ask follow-up questions based on that, like what are the latest US Iran military developments. So the good thing is every morning, rather than just going and looking at 10 different articles, just go and ask Perplexity, like I just make a good summary for me, a concise pre-market brief, and it will make a summary for you in just less than 10 seconds. That's crazy. You don't need to spend time going to economics, Times of India, and all of the different newspapers. Just come and leverage Perplexity over here in this case. And one more good things, like even if you go and search link over here, it will give you all the links from where it has like aggregated all the information, and then you can even find the images, but I don't know like all the images. Now let's jump on to the use case number 2. For example, in the pre-market brief that you got, you really like a particular company, but you don't know enough about it. So how you're going to do a deep research about that particular company? So I've just pasted a prompt over here that explain the company thesis, like I'm a first year equity research analyst, cover business model, revenue driver, margin, risk, and all those things. You can find again this prompt in the description, and you just need to click on it. So now we have done the pre-market analysis. You have founded a particular company that you were very interested in, but you don't know enough about it. Now we are going on the second layer. It will give you everything, like this is the largest driver for the Indian IT service sector, business model, what revenue drivers and mixes, and you can see like it will go on the margin, cash, and returns. So this gives you enough information that you should know for a particular company if you are very curious, rather than spending time going on 10k, like rather than going on seeing the annual report, Google, on YouTube, and all different news articles. You can just come here and leverage this, and I think this is a great tool if you are someone who's very new, who's just a finance student who don't know about all the companies in the market. Usually nobody knows. You'll also get the valuation debate and the latest earning takeaway, and then you have the follow-up option, and just leverage this. I think like who is the competitive position versus Infosys and Accenture, and you can go so on and so on. And then we have the links and the image options as well. Now let's see the third use case. Imagine you are an equity research analyst or in general finance student, you and the earning season is coming. How you're going to leverage to understand whether the company beat in the past time the expectation or did not, and what will be the expectation in the future. So over here, you just need to type summarize the latest earning results, what beat or missed, what changes in guidance, and what are the top 3 things management said that investors care about. And you can just like summarize the latest earning results for, we'll continue with the company that we have chosen for TCS, and just search over here. Now you see TCS delivered a modest top line beat driven by AI in North America, and all the things beat or miss versus expectation. It was up by 2%, and guidance and outlook commentary, the top 3 things management said that investors care about. So it gives you a good idea about what really the earnings showed, and you don't need to spend time in going out and looking at the quarterly reports or the annual reports. You just need to come here and ask exactly what all questions you have. Then we have the follow-up section, and you can even ask like what was the revenue for 2025 TCS, and it will tell me exactly 30.18 billion. So this is a great tool, rather than just going and not spending it, wasting so much time in aggregating the data. This will save you ton and ton of time. Now let's look at the use case number 4, and this is something which is specifically very helpful if you are someone who wants to get into the field of finance, who wants to crack the job interviews. You can give a prompt like, I'm interviewing for equity research role, ask me 10 technical and market based questions using the latest market context. So what it will do when you press enter, it will start giving you all the good questions that can be asked when you will be going for interview, and it will give you good preparation. So it has just given like, how would you frame the current risk reward in global equities after, like, it has all the 10 questions. And let me do one more crazy good thing. Also give me answers to these questions, and then you can also cross check like what answer you should be giving. Like, you can go read the question and then think what answer you think should be right, and then you can even come and make sure that, okay, did I cover this point or not. It's not that exactly you need to give this answer, but you can leverage this. And this is something which is a game changer, especially if you are someone who wants to crack into the field of, who really wants to crack and get into the field of finance, but you don't know what kind of questions and what you should exactly prepare. You can leverage Perplexity Finance to create a good system for you. Every day you can go see the news, what is going in the market, like do deep research for particular companies that you like, prepare yourself for the interview if you are looking for different roles, and particularly equity research, investment banking, which ask the latest questions that are going in the market. They will not ask just the technical questions that are in the book. They expect that the candidate is going through and under reading the news every day. Now I also want to talk about the costing of this AI tool. This is completely free. First of all, you don't need to pay for anything. But for example, if you want to create a DCF model, you want Perplexity to create the DCF model for you, you may need to pay $17, like that is the pro version. But if you don't want to do any that kind of deep research, you can leverage and use this tool every single day for free. So leverage it. And in the end, I just want to say that if you want to become better than other finance candidates, or you want something differentiating from others, you have to start using this kind of AI tools. And thank you for watching.